ready to transform your Ubuntu machine into a coding powerhouse. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your system is up to date. We'll start by opening the terminal. That black box where the magic happens, type a command and hit enter. The system will then ask for your password. Enter it. This updates all the installed packages during this process. Just be patient. Next up, installing a code editor. I highly recommend Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's free, versatile, and has an amazing community. Open the Ubuntu Software Center, search for VS Code, and click install. Once VS Code has finished installing, open up VS Code. You'll want to customize it for your needs, but for now, it's ready to go. Let's customize our environment now by installing a useful terminal utility. The terminal is your best friend as a programmer. Let's install Git for version control and a compiler depending on the language you wish to work. Can we type those commands again in the terminal and hit enter? These will install your preferred compilers. Now, let's test it out. Create a simple program in your chosen language, save it, and then build, then run it from the terminal. Congratulations, you are ready to start coding your projects.